It's Wednesday morning, and as you can see, we had some snow last night. Not too much because the temperatures were high, so we didn't get a lot of snow stick on the ground. Once again, it's early morning Wednesday here. Here's my hood. Listen to the birds singing. See a squirrel house up there, or nest. In winter they build nests. That's where they stay. If you are not subscribed to my channel, do me a favor if you want. Listen to the birds flying up there. Subscribe, support the work. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. We appreciate that. We are almost at 12,000 subscribers. So if you can subscribe, that will help our number grow to 20,000 subscribers. This is my hood, just walking early morning Thursday. I say Wednesday, but it's Thursday morning. I hope you're taking care of yourself. Do you live in a state or country where you get snow? You can leave a comment below, but be respectful. That's an alley right there. I like the snow, but I don't like the ice. Leave a comment, let me know where you're watching from. If you're in the US or some other country. If you're in the US, let me know which state you live. That's helpful to know where my subscribers live or where they are watching from. Again, this is my neighborhood. Early morning, you can see the school bus over there, picking up kids early morning. And squirrel nests, a couple of them right there. It's not too cold, feels good. I'm walking in the middle of the street because we don't have cars right now driving. You can hear the Catholic church bell. They do that every hour, all day, from 6 in the morning. Sometimes I think they do it all the way to 9 p.m. every hour. Not sure why. See a person walking way over there. Somebody left a mini school bus here. It's been sitting here all year and last year. Alright, thank you for joining me here for a short walk early morning Thursday. Take care. Spread love. The world is full of hate, which is not good, but we can change it one person at a time by spreading love. Turn notifications on so that you can be notified. I post videos every single day. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourself. And don't forget to spread love. If you comment, be respectful. Peace out.